Hello, good morning. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Okay, so right now we are in block 4, that is work people do. So our aim for today is to explain how we depend on jobs done by other people. Once again, I repeat, our aim is to explain how we depend on jobs done by other people. Our keyword for today is depend. Okay, children, why do we have so many different kinds of jobs? And also, today we will find out why we need people from different professions. Okay, so let's see. How do these people help us? In the first picture, you can see a teacher here. So how do teacher help us? Teacher teaches us. Then we can see a milkman giving milk. So a milkman gets milk for us. Then we can see a vegetable seller. We get fruits and vegetables from a vegetable seller. Then we can see a tailor here. So a tailor stitches our clothes. Then the next one is guard. A guard protects us and our house, right? So we need all these people for different things, right? So once again we can see a teacher teaches us. A milkman gets us milk. A tailor stitches our clothes. A guard protects our house. So we depend on lot of professions to meet our daily needs. We may need maid, gardener, milkman, guard, vegetable seller, grocery seller, teacher, tailor, doctors for our daily needs. Also, there are other people like cobbler, farmer, and carpenter on whom we depend for our needs. Okay, now children, who is this in the picture? Yes, it is a carpenter. How do we depend on a carpenter? Yeah, we depend on a carpenter to make furniture and other things out of wood. Here you can see a vegetable seller and a driver carrying vegetables, right, in his truck. So how does a driver depend on the vegetable seller? Yeah, a driver gets vegetables in his vehicle, right, which the vegetable seller sells. So a driver gets vegetables in his vehicle, you can see here, and that vegetables the vegetable seller will sell. Also, the driver gives money and buys vegetables from the vegetable seller, and the money can be used by the vegetable seller to buy something from the carpenter, or to meet a doctor, or to teach his children. So each one of us depend on the other work done by other people to meet our needs. Here you can see the driver is carrying wood in his truck for the carpenter to make furniture. Same way he can buy furniture from the carpenter. In that way they need each other, right? Okay, now children, here you can see a teacher needs a doctor to give her medicines, and a doctor needs a carpenter to make the furniture. A carpenter and a doctor, they both need a teacher to teach their children. So each one of us depends on the work done by someone else. Okay children, now you can take out your EVS workbook, page number 26, that is S3. We need their help. You need to write the date here and complete the table. The first one is already done for you, that is the postman. So you need to write here postman, and what is their workplace? Post office. We need them because they bring our letters. The next one is writer. You need to write his workplace and also why do we need them, right? Then we have vegetable seller, then army, and the last one is traffic police. Okay. Now please take out page number 27, that is S4. We need each other. So the first question is, why do a farmer and a policeman need each other? So a policeman protects the farmer and farmer grows crops for the policeman. Okay. Then the second one is, why do a doctor and a carpenter need each other? So a doctor needs a carpenter to make the furniture and a carpenter needs a doctor to give medicines. Okay. Alright. Now the third one you have to see, why does a dancer need musician to play music during a dance performance? Okay, so you need to think about it and write your answer here. Alright. Okay, so that's all for today. By this we came to an end to this block, that is work people do. Okay, so thank you children and see you in our next class.